In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Instagram instant post filters not showing. Instagram has added a new feature where you can add filters in instant post. But if you're not able to access those posts, then what you can do is update the app to the latest version. Go ahead and launch open the Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and here search for Instagram. If you find the option of update, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. With this, you're going to get access to new features. Now tap on the open option, then tap on the DM icon. From here, tap on the instance icon over here, then simply swipe left and check if you're able to find filters over there. If you are not, then you want to completely close the Instagram application, then reopen it. Now you want to check again. If you're still not able to find filters, then you want to clear the cache of Instagram application. Long press on it, then tap on this app info icon. This will take you to settings. Here you want to scroll and find the option of storage. Tap on that. Now tap on clear cache. After this, open Instagram app and check. If you're still not able to get the feature, uninstall the application and reinstall it from Play Store or App Store. If you still do not get the filter option, even after reinstalling the app, then it can be because Instagram is slowly rolling out this feature to everyone. This may not be available in your account. You might want to check it after a certain time. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.